Hello everybody, and welcome back to another cosplay video. And this time, I'm going to be showing you how I made my bunny version Miku wig. I will put a picture of it right here, so you can see what I'm trying to make here. I got this wig off eBay. It's just one of those cheap Miku wigs. It's pretty thin, but it doesn't really matter since I'm not going to Comic-Con. I'm just going to be wearing this in my own home. Take some photos, for my Patreon and Instagram and stuff like that, which you can find in the description. I put links there, if you want to see some photos. And basically, this was really easy. All I did was wrap that giant piece of hair around, made a bun and shoved a load of bobby pins in, made the little flick she has, and that was it really. Yeah, easy. Well, no, there was a bit more to it than that. Really do enjoy wig styling sometimes, although it can be stressful. It's quite, I don't know, it's satisfying in a way when you make something that looks nothing like how it began with, and then suddenly it's totally different. It's very satisfying, I also have another cosplay I'm actually planning on filming, but one that I will be making from scratch, because the Guagura one was a bought cosplay, and this is also a bought cosplay. Oh, here I'm actually cutting these elastic pieces off because they're really annoying if you don't cut them, and sometimes you can just see them dangling out. So make sure you cut those off, tie them in a knot, cut them off, get rid of them. I'm just doing the same on the other side now, wrapping it, putting bobby pins in, making the little flick. These buns are actually a lot higher up than they need to be at the moment, but it doesn't matter because you can just move them because they're clips. So it's super easy. Here I am adjusting. And this is where you get your got-to-be hairspray, okay? This is like cosplay hairspray number 1. It is like glue. I use it all the time. I use it on my own hair, If you want to keep anything from flicking up, flicking down, whatever, use this. It works really well as well if you use like heat and then respray and then heat it and then respray it. It forms like a rock. It's crazy. So now I'm going to do the fringe part, I guess you could say. Fringe part. Now I couldn't get a wig, like a ponytail wig, where the wefts are sewn in a way where it simulates it simulates a ponytail, because they're too small for my head and they really give me headaches. So we're just using this wig, I have to put an example of what I mean because I'm shit at explaining, okay? Basically, we're doing it the easier way. But no one will tell, it's fine, totally fine. I'm just making sections here for the fringe part because she has a point, then she has some bits that get tucked underneath, and then she has more flicks that frame her face. So basically I'm just trying to get all those pieces out of the way. Should have used my clips, but I'm just lazy. Just didn't bother. So we can frame the face. Yeah, nice. And once, you've clipped all your pieces out of the way and hairsprayed everything down, you should end up with something that looks like this. Voila! I put the headband on, make it look extra cute. And this is me now trying to get a good camera angle in my tiny room. You can see my Murloc onesie in the corner. But yeah, that's it. I might do another video of me doing my makeup for this cosplay. I'm not sure yet. I haven't really decided. I might just take pictures for my social stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe it was helpful to somebody. Or maybe not. Maybe it was the opposite. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time! Bye! End the video, please.